Chandelier lights up. You could dim down and brighten up by your dimmer switch, remote control, and so forth. Different types of bulbs, colored bulbs, chandelier bulbs. If a bulb blows out, they're very easy to replace. Hanging different heights, short to tall. They take 40 watts maximum per stem. The stems are different heights. They have gold on the bottom, black shaft, and your chandelier bulb. It is black polish with hooks that hold and swing. The wiring comes through one stem and down. Bulbs are not included. Check online for further detail about the product and the size you are looking for your chandelier to hang in the dining room, living room, anywhere that you need light. So let's open up the box, show you what you get inside and how this is packed. We're going to take everything out and start to assemble. We have an instruction guide for model 48327, and we're going to start to assemble. In this model 48327, we have some assembly following the instructions. You're going to attach the pieces. You're going to unscrew the screws and reply them into the base. You're going to need a screwdriver. Simply unscrew. Slide in and re-screw back on. Repeat for the opposite side, the same exact thing. Unscrew the other side. This unit measures 46 inches. You have all the light bulb fixtures that you can adjust straight up like so. They're on different height levels. You're going to make a bar like so. Before you start to do the other one, what you want to do is place this and slide the wires through. Then pull all through. We have additional height bars for our ceiling. We have a tall ceiling. We use more bars by simply adding additional bars on and repeat the process. Your last lead, unscrew the circle, grab the wires, slide through. With the ball cap, slide through the threads, bring through to the top. You have two chain links, open up one, and ready to hang, place on the other one like so. Finish the other side up by placing your rod on and into the hole. We have different height bars that we're simply going to find out light, slide on, lock them in. Each bulb is rated up to a maximum of 40 watts. They slide down and lock into place over here. If you make a mistake, you just simply grab and lift up. As we showed you how to place the top piece on, we're going to lock them down. Your spot located to hang your chandelier, place on the bracket and lock down with the bolts. Place in your bulbs and you have your chandelier ready to light up. Supply bulbs to each of the chandeliers. Place over the kitchen island, your nook, your dining area, anywhere imaginable for lighting. I hope you can enjoy your chandelier kit wherever you put it. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.